In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social icons in Card. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean row of clickable social icons on your Card site that take visitors straight to your profiles. Let's start by opening Card in your browser and logging in. Once you're in your dashboard, open the site you want to edit. If you have multiple sites, double-check the one you select so you're updating the correct project. Give the page a second to load the editor so everything is ready to go. With your site open, it's time to add the Icons element. Look for the plus button labeled Add Element. Click it, then choose Icons from the list. Card will drop a row of placeholder icons onto your canvas. Think of this element as a container for your social links. You can reposition it later if needed, but for now, focus on getting the icons and links set up correctly. Next, pick the social icons you actually want to display. Click the Icons element you just added to open its settings panel. In that panel, click Add Icon. You'll see a library of built-in options like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, along with many other popular platforms. Select the icons that match the profiles you use. It's perfectly fine to add them one at a time, and you can repeat this to include multiple platforms. Choosing only the networks you're active on helps keep things tidy and avoid sending visitors to dormant accounts. Now, connect each icon to your profile. For every icon you added, you'll see a URL field. Click into that field and type or paste your full social profile link. For example, for Instagram, you might use https://instagram.com, your username. Make sure you include the HTTPS part so the link works properly. After entering the link, press Enter to save it. Repeat this for each icon until all of your profiles are linked. Taking a moment to verify the URL format now will prevent broken links later. That's it. Your icons are in place and connected. You've opened your Card site, added the Icons element, selected the platforms you want, and attached each one to its correct URL. When you publish or preview your site, these icons will be clickable and will direct visitors straight to your social pages. If you need to make a change later, just click the Icons element again, adjust the selection, or update a URL the same way. With these simple steps, your Card site gains a professional touch and makes it easy for people to find and follow you across your social platforms.